The polar array command will duplicate the selected object in a circular pattern. If you select multiple objects, the objects will be treated as one item to be copied and arrayed. In this example, I'll demonstrate how to place a plant symbol in a circular array in the front yard of this residence. I can zoom in on the area by rolling the scroll button on the mouse, and I can press and hold down the scroll button to pan or move the drawing around on the screen. First, I'll place a single shrub symbol on the design using the plant placement command. I will place an azalea with a radius of 2 feet. I place the symbol by clicking with the left mouse button to set the location, and another click for the rotation angle of the symbol. I'll place the symbol just inside of the fence to the left of the column. To array the symbol, I select the symbol by clicking on it one time with the left mouse button. I can select the Array command from the Edit menu, or by clicking on the toolbar icon. I click on the Polar tab, and when selecting a single plant symbol, the handle automatically is set to the center of the symbol. You'll need to move the handle or center point from which to array the selected entities, or they will all appear directly on top of one another. In this example, I want the plant symbols to be offset along the curved fence. The fence is drawn using the Arc command. The Arc command sets a point for the center. I will use this point for arraying the plant symbols. Click on the Center Point button and then click on the screen at the desired location. You can also hold down the Control key on the keyboard and click on the design screen at the center location. Enter the number of copies in the array. This number includes the original selected symbol. Enter the angle for the array. Angles entered as a positive number will array in a counterclockwise direction, while angles entered as a negative number will array in a clockwise direction. In this example, I want the symbols to array at a 90-degree angle in a clockwise direction, so I'll enter -90 as the angle. To rotate the objects as they're placed around the arc, enable the Rotate Items checkbox by clicking on the selection with the left mouse button until a checkmark appears in the box. If the checkbox is disabled, the objects will all have the same rotation angle. Click on the OK button to array the selected objects on the design screen. The command can be used for many different reasons. Let me demonstrate how to place chair symbols around a table. I'll place a table symbol and a single chair symbol. I select the chair symbol and start the Array command. I set the center point for the array at the center of the table. I want 5 copies of the chair going all the way around the table, so I will enter an angle of 360 degrees. I want to rotate the chairs, so I make sure the Rotate Items checkbox is enabled. I then click on the OK button and quickly place copies of the chair symbol around the table.